Hillside Haven, a sanctuary of architecture and nature. Nestled within a landscape of breathtaking natural beauty, the Constantia estate epitomizes a thoughtfully crafted archi strategically positioned. The new building leverages the landscape's innate beauty, offering sweeping panoramic views over the canopy of trees toward the majestic Table Mountain. Expansive glazing frames these vistas, creating a visual transparency that encourages a sense of immersion, effectively connecting occupants with the surrounding environment. Inside, an open-plan layout promotes both fluidity and intimacy, supporting social interaction and quiet retreat, thus bridging the boundary between interior and exterior spaces, textural evolution that has unfolded over nearly 2 decades. This remarkable journey commenced with the restoration of the original house, serving as a catalyst for the introduction of innovative structures, such as the acclaimed treehouse and a modern gym pavilion. Most recently, the estate's narrative was enriched through the acquisition of a neighboring parcel of land, presenting exciting new opportunities for further architectural exploration. A fortuitous discovery marked this expansion: a historic poplar-lined wagon road, which has since become a central organizing feature of the estate's layout. This pathway now serves as both a physical and symbolic link between the original estate and the newly acquired land, harmoniously weaving together past and present. In response to the steep terrain, the architects envisioned a structure that would sit low within the hillside, maintaining a serene, natural presence that blends seamlessly with its surroundings. Architecturally, the building rises organically from the terrain, with sandblasted concrete forming its core. This material choice, with its rugged texture, provides aesthetic continuity with the environment, reminiscent of local natural stone. Planted roofs further integrate the building with its surroundings, softening its edges and enhancing the overall sense of harmony with nature. The architectural vision of the Constantia estate was beautifully complemented by a landscape design that emphasizes a harmonious relationship with nature. Working in close collaboration, the landscape designers integrated native plantings that reflect the local ecology and promote biodiversity. A thoughtfully designed network of pathways and stairways invites exploration, with each viewpoint revealing a unique facet of how the building engages with its environment. These elements collectively offer a contemplative and immersive experience, allowing visitors to deeply connect with the landscape. The omnipresent sound of water gently cascading creates a soothing auditory experience, enveloping the area in a serene ambiance that deepens the connection to nature. The planted roof aids in effective stormwater management while maintaining a verdant aesthetic that blends seamlessly with the hillside. Fostering the building's connection with the natural environment are unique features like the cantilevered reflection pond, ingeniously engineered to extend outward towards the expansive landscape. This feature not only adds visual interest, but also supports aquatic plants through natural filtration, boosting biodiversity.